After the last presidential election, I heard a lot of people in the Republican Party saying that the Democrats were just too woke. And that's why they lost the election. I've even heard some Democrats saying, oh, we spent too much time talking about wokeness, like they're drinking from the same Kool-Aid. In my view, it is the exact opposite. The Democrats were not woke enough, and that cost them the election. They did nothing to intervene, stop, slow the genocide in Gaza, and it cost them millions of votes in an election decided by very close margins. Trump did not radically expand his base. His numbers were pretty comparable to the numbers he had in 2020 when he lost decisively to Joe Biden. A lot of Democrats did not vote or did not vote Democrat this time. And that is just one example of how they were not woke enough. I think a lot of progressive Democrats also want to see truly meaningful action on climate change. And although there were some actions, which I do applaud from the Biden administration, they didn't do enough and give voice to it actively enough to really mobilize people from the couch to the ballot box. And similarly, with a whole variety of social justice issues and so forth, there was tepid and less meaningful action. It doesn't mean that progressive Democrats wanted Trump over Biden. It's that they saw nothing they could believe in from either administration. And when Kamala Harris ran, she said, when asked, what would you do differently than Joe Biden? She said, not a single thing. And so the actions and inactions of the Biden administration were strongly associated with Kamala Harris. And what hurt them, what kept a lot of Democrats from coming out to vote, was not that the Democrats were too woke. It is that they were not woke enough. Thank you.